Very good morning, students. Today we will be learning some exercise questions of exercise 2.6. The first question, 15th exercise question. The question is e power 3x into 3x minus 1 by 9x square. How to do this here? Answer. So this is a individual denominator, right? We can split up these two denominators. Means e power 3x can be written as 3x by 9x square minus 1 by 9x square. Here 3 ones related, no issues. Here 1 by 9 I can take common. So it will become e power 3x by 9. So what is left here? X square and x square cancel. 3 by x minus 1 by x square. Okay. Now if you observe, let f of x is equals to 1 by x. If I am assuming 3 is a number, so I am writing this as 3 into 1 by x. So if I am assuming that f of x is 1 by x, then if I perform derivative for this f dash of x, what is the derivative of 1 by x? It will be minus 1 by x square. So I can apply the formula of e power x into a into f of x plus f dash of x can be written as e power ax into f of x plus. This formula we can apply. So here the answer will be e power. So here 1 by 9, and I'm writing in a formula format. So e power ax, e power ax, e power ax, I have written e power ax, 3 into 1 by x minus plus minus 1 by x square. Now, if you see here clearly, 1 by 9 is a normal number, skip it. Now it is in the form of e power ax plus a into f of x plus f dash of x. So if it is there, we can write it as e power ax, that is e power 3x into f of x. F of x is how much here? 1 by x, which is by x plus. Let us see the next second question. Putting so question number 14. E power x into x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole cube. E power x into x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole cube. So in this case, so here denominator x plus 1, it is a single term, but a whole cube is there. X plus 1 is not there, we will make it as x plus 1 here. So what I can write here? X plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Means I am adding plus 1, means I will subtract plus minus 1. So that it will be balanced. Minus 1 is extra, is that we are writing here. By x plus 1 whole cube. Now I am splitting x plus 1 to this and remaining to the remaining fraction. So what we can write here? X plus 1 by x plus 1 whole cube minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube. So this and this get cancelled. So what is left here? E power x into 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube. Okay. We will assume let f of x is equals to 1 by 1 plus x whole square. If this is 1 by x square, then if I perform derivative f dash of x, then answer will be minus 2 by x cube. So that remember the derivatives. Previously we have learned that 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. 1 by x square derivative is minus 2 by x cube. That logically is removed. If 1 by x cube derivative I am asking minus 3 by x power 4. It keeps on increasing with the alternative symbols. So what formula? So it is looking clearly for us. What we can use the formula here? E power x into f of x plus f dash of x. Formula we can use it as e power of x into f of x plus c. So if I substitute in this, what we are going to get here? E power of x into, what is our f of x here? 1 by 1 plus x whole square plus c. Next, let us see the 13th question. So the 13th question, e power x into 1 by x square minus 2 by x cube. So it's a direct statement given. So I am assuming that f of x is 1 by x square. If I perform derivative for this, what we are going to get? Minus 2 by x cube. So it is looking like what formula for us? E power of x into f of x plus f dash of x. So e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x can be written as e power of x into f of x plus c. So now if you see the question, e power of x into 1 by x square minus 2 by x cube. This can be written as e power of x into 1 by x square plus c. Next, let us see the 12th question. Integral 1 by x into x square plus 1 into dx. So we cannot apply any of the formula. Answer, let us assume that x square is p. So if I differentiate on both sides, it will become 2x dx is equals to dt. So for the given question, what I will do is I will multiply and divide by x. So multiply and divide by x. So how can I write this based on this? X square means 1 by t into t plus 1. X dx means x dx. It can be written as dt by 2. dt by 2. So we can take 1 by 2 outside. So integral 1 by t into t plus 1 dt. So we cannot do this. We have to apply the partial fractions here. So let me take this statement 1 by t into t plus 1. What is the partial fraction for this? A by t plus b by t plus 1. So 1 by t into t plus 1 is equal to, the LCM is t into t plus 1. Here a into t plus 1 plus bt. So t into t plus 1 gets cancels. A into t plus 1 plus b into t. So if t is minus 1, then b value is also minus 1. Because 1 is minus 1. Here t minus 1, no? Minus 1 if I transpose this side also 1 by minus 1 which is minus 1. If t is 0, then a is 1. So I got the values. Let me substitute in these partial fractions. So in place of 1 by t into t plus 1, I can replace with 1 by t minus of 1 by t plus 1. This I can replace. Okay. Now in place of this I can replace. So we can mark this as first. So from 1, what I can replace now? 1 by 2 integral. In place of 1 by t into t plus 1, what I can write? 1 by t minus 1 by t plus 1 dt. So I can use individual integration here, 1 by t dt minus 1 by t plus 1 dt. So integral of 1 by t will be log t minus log of t plus 1 plus c. So in place of t, we have written it as x square. So 1 by 2 into log x square minus log of x square plus 1 plus c. Next, let us see the 11th question. E power x into 1 plus x log of x e power x. So we need to perform integration for this, integral dx. Okay. So here logarithmic we have extra function that will assume it as x. Let x into e power x is equals to b. Okay, not b, we will assume it as p. So since it is a product rule, we know the product rule formula. What is the product rule formula? D by dx of uv can be written as uv dash plus vu dash. This formula we need to use in this. So first function as it is x, derivative of second, this is derivative of this one will be e power x plus second function as it is, what is the derivative of x1 is equals to dp. So now let me replace in this. So this equation e power x into 1 will be e power x plus x into e power x is x e power x log of x e power x dx. Now let me replace. So overall in place of this I can replace it as x e power x into dx is equals to dp into dx. So this can be written as log z dz. Sorry, log p dp. Log p dp. So again integral log p. Integral of log p means we have to apply integration by parts. By applying integration by parts. So what is u log p and dv will be dp. So u dash derivative of log will be 1 by p and integration of v will be p. So what we can write here, integral instead of, okay, what is the formula here? Integral u dv can be written as uv minus integral v du. So u into v means log p into p minus v. P integral of v du means already we have done integral of v, which is p. So this can be written as p log p minus p. P we can take it outside, it will become log p minus 1. So p, what we have assumed it as p here, x e power x. So this can be written as x e power x into log of x e power x minus 1 plus c. Next, let us see the 10th question. X by 2x power 4 minus 3x square minus 2. So let us perform this x by 2x power 4 minus 3x square minus 2. Now see the question. X divided by integral integral of x divided by 2x power 4 minus 3x square minus 2 dx. So if you observe the denominator, we can split the factors. That is minus 4 can be written as minus 4 plus 1. So let me write that. So x by 2x power 4 minus 4x square plus x square minus 2 dx. So x divided by, in these two we can take 2x square as common, so we are left with x square minus 2 plus 1, here also x square minus 2 dx. So x by x square minus 2 into 2x square plus 1 dx. So this is the splitting of the factors. Now to solve this answer, we don't have any other formula to be used, so let us assume some. Let us assume that x square is equal to t. So in place of x square, let us substitute t. So if I perform the derivative for this, it will become 2x dx derivative. 2x dx is equals to dt. Now integral by, okay, it will be t minus 2 into 2t plus 1. In the numerator x dx. X dx means this can be written as dt by 2, 1 by. So 1 by 2 we can take outside. So in 1 by t minus 2 into 2t plus 1 into dt. Now let us apply the partial fractions for this. So let me take this term into consideration. 1 by t minus 2 into 2t plus 1 is equals to, since these are linear, directly we can write it as a by t minus 2 plus b by 2t plus 1. LCM will be reversed. So 1 by t minus 2 into 2t plus 1 is equals to a into 2t plus 1 plus b into t minus 2 divided by t minus 2 into 2t plus 1. So this 2 gets cancelled. So 1 is equals to a into 2t plus 1 plus b into t minus 2. Now let us see here. If t is equals to 2, if I substitute t is equals to 2, then 1 is equals to 2 to the 4 plus 1, a into 5. So a value will be 1 by 5. Next, if t is equals to 0, then 1 is equals to 0 minus 2, okay, 0. This is a minus 2b, a minus 2. Already a value is 1 by 5. So 1 is equals to 1 by 5 minus 2b. So 1 minus 1, okay. So 2b is equals to 1 by 5 minus 1. So it will be minus 4 by 5 is equals to 2b. So b value is minus 2 by 5. So let us substitute this a and b values in the assumed one. So this is our assumed one. So in this we will substitute. So what we can write in place of a now? 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 divided by t minus 2 plus. In place of b we can write it as minus 2 by 5 2t plus 1. Now according to the question, 1 by 2 is there in the outside. That we will be doing an integration. So 1 by 2 outside, integral 1 by 5 into t minus 2 plus minus 2 by 5 into 2t plus 1 dt. 1 by 2. So this can be individual integrations. We can write 1 by 5 into t minus 2 plus into minus will be minus 2 by 5 integral 2t plus 1 dt. Here also dt. So 1 by 5 we can take it outside. So 1 by 5 outside. So what will be left inside the integral? 1 by t minus 2 dt. Yes. Minus 2 by 5 we can take it outside. Integral 1 by 2t plus 1 dt. Overall brackets. So 1 by 2 as it is, it will be 1 by 5 log of t minus 2 minus 2 by 5 log of 2t plus 1 plus t. So we have to replace now t with x square. So that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 log of x square minus 2 minus 2 by 5 log of 2x square plus 1 plus c.